Alright, this is the redo of the front disc brakes. As you can see, it's really messy and dirty from sitting in the same spot for 5 years. So first step is we'll jack it up, take off the tires. That one's really stuck until it's really looks burnt. The Geo has a good lift spot in the middle where you can lift both up. That one has the screw in it, the other one doesn't. Take off the calipers and redo them. Everything there is a 14. That one's really stuck. And I'm going to be changing everything out. Got the calipers from eBay. From Rock Auto I got. And I think from eBay I got the rotor set with the disc brakes. Yeah, that normally they don't take that much to get off. The hub seems okay, although I'll probably change those bearings out, and I'll probably change out the control arms because I got some. Just doing a little bit of cleanup while I got it off. The tire is really caked up with dirt. Cleaning that off. That is alcohol, rubbing alcohol. It's a whole lot easier on the skin than the brake cleaner. Doesn't hurt as bad if you get in the eye, and a whole lot better on the nervous system. Get the 91%. Just doing a little bit of cleanup there on that frame because the brake calipers I got don't have that. They were cheaper that way. They call it an unloaded caliper. And didn't want to waste that in that can, so I opened it up, getting the hose off, using the vice grips is always the best way. These are 10 millimeters though, but the vice grips help to get it started. Put the new hose on, get the clips in. Again, I'm not worried about losing brake fluid because I want it to drain out anyways. Getting the clips back on. Alright, getting the caliper ready. It has a lot of new equipment in there, or a lot of new fasteners in there. Although I didn't like those little push rod things with the boots. I went back with the old ones. The other ones just didn't, the new ones didn't seem to fit real good. It's gonna grease them up. Should get the rotor. Yeah, I have to take that frame off and then get the rotor on. Getting that screw on. Trying to figure out how that goes on there. Cannot remember. Finally get it. It actually goes on that frame. Right there, figured it out. Put the brake pads on. Curved part goes towards the curved part of the rotor. Okay, screw them down. What am I doing with that vice grip? Oh, I was trying to keep those new fasteners from turning. That's why I needed to go ahead and change those out, because they just didn't seem right. And so you can see the rest of that now on the other side. I'll just let you watch.